to. Let me get in the camera. Hold up, hold up. All right, I'm right here. Y'all there? All right, I got my man filming. Leon, Bodgit and Leggit. Make sure I get over to his channel. But this video for you, bro. I hope this is gonna be a trendsetter. You follow afterwards. The title of the video you already know. Tire change challenge. Who can change the tire the fastest or whatever? I ain't the fastest, listen, but I'm gonna give it a shot. It is what it is. I wish I could curse so bad, but you know I can't cuss. So this is gonna be the deal. So I got a tire right here. This is Jazz car on her 13 Ford Focus, 18-inch wheel. This is a basic tire machine. It's gonna be a little basic job. It's not getting extensive with the arms and low profile of this and all that crap. No, just follow my lead. That's what we're gonna do. So the tire's already aired up. I'm gonna take the air out the tire, then break the bead, you know, and just follow the procedure and put the tire on and stuff. From start to finish, when I say go, that timer gonna start. So let me get ready. All right, you ready? Go. Hold up. Oh shit. I'm fucking up already. I've lost like 10 seconds already. Hold up. Hold up.
Got 2 minutes.
You know, damn 2 minutes. Hold up.
2 minutes.
Hold up. I'm trying to take the air out this bitch.
Counting down.
And I got a tire sensor. Damn, I done missed like a whole hour already. Alright. Oh man, do low profile tires count as a... Can we change the rules? Hold up. Hold up. Oh man, I think I lost. Where we at, yo?
154.
Ain't no 154. Fucking lying. Alright, you ready?
52 seconds.
Ready. Alright. Hold up, hold up. Fucking embarrassing me, man. Whoa. Here we go. Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready.
113.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Hold on. I gotta be perfect because I don't want to damage Jazz wheels and then, you know, she beat me up and shit. Hold up. Wasn't the tire machine supposed to be set up already? The fuck, yo?
128.
All right. Hold up. Here we go.
Course in 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
2 minutes.
I don't know, man. This is slow, bro. This is slow.
5. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 2.
Hold on.
Did not make the time.
Ain't no damn time. Hold up.
2 minutes.
I need some grease. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna use some dialect grease on this shit. Hold up. Cause I ain't got no grease, y'all. Hold up.
And the timer stops.
The timer ain't no stop.
It did stop.
We're gonna keep going because the video's time basically. All right. The timer really stopped?
No. I got it to come back. You had an incoming call. 231.
I don't got no incoming call.
You did have an incoming call from Jazzy. 235.
All right, ready? All right. What side is it? Inside, outside, rotation. Where we going? Left side? All right, rotating that way. Be cool. I think it's that side, right? Hold up. Yeah, it's this side. All right. I'm using dialect grease, y'all. I know. We're gonna bend the rules too. Y'all gotta use tire sensors. You can't do it without it. Hold up. Hold up, wait. I'm fucking up. I fucked this challenge up, yo. I already know I'm on.
You lost this challenge already won.
Hold on, I have to use dialect grease, man. Get out of here.
Seconds.
Can I get a pry bar? We got a pry bar?
I'll now bring my tire here to get changed.
Shit, hold up. Hold up. This is an unfair advantage, goddammit.
You asked for the challenge.
You damn right.
And you suck.
Hold up.
real bad.
I blame G, you know. It's tire machine, goddamn it. Alright.
4 minutes.
No fucking 4 minutes.
Yes, it is. I can beat my.
Damn it. Alright. Alright, it's going up. Let me get my shit ready. Hold up. Hold up. I'm airing up, so. Wait.
4 minutes and 34 seconds.
I think it's going up. It ain't doing shit. Here it goes.
Approaching 5 minutes.
Get the fuck out of here. You know fucking 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Hold up, man. It's going something, huh?
You approach 5 minutes.
You know what? Cut this shit, goddammit. That pissed me off, goddammit. This is a fucking failure and shit. The fuck this shit made me fail, yo. The fuck, man. Goddammit.
You was not going first. Don't blame the tire machine.
It is the fucking tire machine. It ain't me.
Guy right there took 5 minutes and 45 seconds to change the goddamn tire.
I ain't even got no air pressure. Hold up. Alright, we killed it. Hold on. It's over. I lost. God damn it, what the fuck?
Seven minutes and 26 seconds. I'm stopping.
Leave it. Alright, I give up. I give up. Alright, god damn it. I messed up. I'm cursing and everything. Alright. I hope this starts something for y'all. I mean, just the camera. I hope this starts something for y'all. Leon, apparently I lost due to the fact that it's low profile. Had to use 2 damn bars for it. And I shut the air compressor off because it was loud. So I gave myself a disadvantage. So I lost. It is what it is. But I hope we can start something off. Leon, let me see what you got, bro.